A very good afternoon. This is Chandramohan Singh from Kashpa News. Today we are here with 3H Healthcare Private Limited Company. Before proceeding, I would like to introduce you with this company's policies and what are their motives. It's an initiative by a group of senior health professionals to bridge the gap between the patients and the healthcare services for an enriched services. Right now we are with Mr. Ajay, who is the head operations of 3H Care. Now we would like to know, sir, from him that what is the main motive and vision of this company, 3H Care?
Basically, main motive and the vision of the company is to provide the affordable healthcare, and we wish to make the healthcare accessible to all. You can say at the comfort of at their home, you can say the best of the prices and the best of the services. They can choose among different diagnostics. They can choose among different hospital for their any treatment. You can say that any test they want to book, they will get a discounted price over that. First thing is that. Second, they can get a quality services also. So our mission is to provide affordable healthcare services at a very good cost.
So basically, what are the main challenges which public faces and how do you all tackle with them?
Basically, main challenges for public, in my views, in my company view, is that they are not getting the right price, they are not getting the right type of service which they wish for. Basically, suppose you wish to have a test, but you don't know which is the best lab, which is the lab providing that the best prices. So we are giving that type of inputs. We are giving the pointers to him, and then he can choose over that particular pointers. This is the best lab, this is the best pricing, this is close to their locations. Also, this is close to their home, their office location. Also, they can choose among the different parameters. So these are the challenges also, and we are solving it through our web portal. Basically.
And how do you provide these services at this cheap rate?
Basically, we have a tie-up with diagnostic with the service providers, and we are giving them volumes, or we are giving them the right type of customers, and in lieu of that, we are having a certain costing sharing also. So we can pass on to that costing to the end consumer also. So they will get a benefit, and the lab is getting benefit, and we are providing the services. So this is a win-win situation for them.
And how long you are here with this company?
Basically, we just started. We are fresh like a mint. We just started in, you can say that, in March, and operation started in March, and our company was established in August 2015. So we started in 2015, and we start operation in 2016 March.
And who all are the basically main personnel?
Basically, our CEO is Dr. Ruchi Gupta. Okay. She is a CA, qualified CA and PhD. And the management team is comprising of people from the medical fraternity, like Dr. Ravinder Pal. He is a liver specialist. Dr. Gurdeep is in the orthopedics, and a few marketeers. And it's a good amalgamation of good skill set, basically. So it's a you can say that it's backed. My company is backed by very good professionals. So this is the thing.
अभी हमारे साथ सुमन सीतिया जी हैं, जो कि बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट एग्जीक्यूटिव हैं. हम जानते हैं इनके बारे में, इनके क्या विचार हैं. जी सुमन सेतिया जी, नमस्कार.
Hi, myself Suman Setia. I am the business development executive in this company, and I am from last year in this company, and I am working very good, and I love my company because they are giving the good and best services to the people whomsoever required any services regarding the diagnostics, as well as the hospital, as well as the equipments required, as well as any of kind of the health care services. And I love it to work in this company, and hopefully I do hope that in future also I will be remain in the company to good for the future in this company for 3H Care.
एक्सपीरियंस तो काफ़ी अच्छा है. अभी यहाँ पे हम फ्री बेसिक हेल्थ चेकअप करते हैं लोगों का. यहाँ किसी का बीपी वगैरह वो आते हैं, फ्री में आते हैं लोग. अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करते हैं उनके साथ, उनकी बीमारियाँ बताते हैं, उन्हें बताते हैं. काफ़ी कैंप्स किए हैं हमने. हम गाजियाबाद भी गए हैं, हम गुड़गांव में भी गए हैं. तो एक्सपीरियंस काफ़ी अच्छा है हमारा.
यहाँ पे भी हमने अभी कैंप लगाया. अराउंड 300 तक हमारी रजिस्ट्रेशन हो चुकी हैं. जो लोग आ रहे हैं अपने बीपी चेक, अपना शुगर चेकअप वगैरह करा रहे हैं, तो वही सब हम करते हैं और लोगों को फ्री सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करते हैं.
यहाँ पे हमारे साथ एक मैम बैठी हुई हैं जो अपना टेस्ट करा रही हैं.
हाँ जी.
क्या मैम, क्या नाम है आपका?
मेरा नाम इंदु खन्ना.
कहाँ से हैं मैम आप?
मैं रहती शादीपुर डिपो.
तो यहाँ पे आपने क्या टेस्ट करवाया मैम?
मैंने ब्लड टेस्ट करवाया, बीपी टेस्ट करवाया.
तो क्या कोई चार्जेस लगे आपके?
नहीं, हमारे को चार्जेस.
क्या आया ब्लड टेस्ट में? क्या
ठीक है, नॉर्मल है.
नॉर्मल
दोनों चीज़ें नॉर्मल.
कोई किसी प्रकार की प्रॉब्लम फेस करनी पड़ी?
नहीं, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है.
and I must say it's actually setting a new dimension in healthcare sector. Thanks a lot for giving your time to Kashpa News.